Hey everyone, my name is Deja. Welcome to my channel that is based on DIY projects about planning, organizing, cooking, and home decor while saving you more money. Also, if you are new, welcome. And if you would like to join my channel, just hit that red subscribe button and also hit notification bell.
Hey y'all, so I am unboxing every plant, and let's get right into this. Super excited. So I'm gonna get my scissors. So got my scissors, so let's do this. Before I get into it, I decided to go ahead and do this because I wanted to try to get into eating healthier, and then also figure out better, I guess, choice if I wanted to not like make dinner. I can already have stuff already planned out for me to be able to do that. So that's what I decided to do, and I am super excited to get this done. It was very affordable. I will have all the details about this and everything about this company in descriptions down below, so make sure that you go down below in the description, click on it, and so you can see more details about this, every plate, so that way that you can also see if you want to try it yourself, and also look into the company. And also if I end up having a link to where you can basically get discount off of your first purchase, of your first box, and all that details. I will have all that in descriptions down below. So furthermore, let's get right into me unboxing this ever plate. Okay, let's get into this. Before then, let me take off my, so y'all won't see my information. Let's just do it like this, so y'all won't see my information. There we go. I'm just gonna do it like that, cause I don't got that to do. Okay. Okay, so yes, let's get into this unboxing. That's what it looks like. It's all packaged. Basically, it's gonna be packaged this way, so that way you're not it's basically a little refrigerator inside of here, so that's how he packaged it. Like I thought. So this is all somewhat silicone, so it's all stored in here. And then they'll give you that right here. So like a little envelope, and basically gives you some like items in here, like little discount stuff that they give you to use and things like that. So okay, so a little special little stuff, little discount stuff that they give you, little gifts. Okay, and another little card they gave me for discount stuff, for discount. Okay, yeah. Okay, and then it gives you your meal choices that you I got 4 of them, so, and that's basically what that is. So you got your 4 choices. Super excited, can't wait for that. And so here are my mushrooms, cheese, all this fruit and stuff and stuff like that to go with my meals. So I'm gonna bring y'all around so y'all can see how this stuff looks. Okay. So this is what it looks like inside. So that is pretty cool. And yeah, so basically they give you everything's are pre-packaged of basically of everything that you need to go along with your meals basically. So that's pretty cool and exciting. Then you got another layer, which is right here. So okay, that's better. So yeah, you get like a better kind of gif of basically what's going on. So everything will be prepackaged for you to go along with your actual meals itself on this cards. So you'll have these. And sorry, let me bring that down a little bit. There we go. So yeah, basically whatever you choose from your from the site of picking your meals, that is basically what these in here are going to basically go off of your card. You pick from here. So say if I was needing carrots from one of these, which from this soup, as you will see right here, right there, I need a carrot. So there you go, and everything's already pre-packaged, already basically whatever you need within for your dish that you end up deciding that you want to actually I guess like order, or basically you purchase, so that you want it to do, then you will take this. So the net will give you basically more than what you had ordered. So for instance, I order 2 servings, so I'm gonna have 2 servings of this. If I wanted 4 servings, that would give me probably like 1 more carrot, things like that type of situation. So just keep that in mind when you decide that you actually want to do these type of when you pick your choices from this company or other companies in general. Just know that what you're getting yourself into when you decide of your meal plan, or what basically fits your house. Let me go back to so basically I am super excited, as you can see, about trying this out, because I really want to see how it's going to work out, and if I can actually put these meals into my own meal plan, basically schedule, so that way if I can one day be like, okay, I want to try this out, how I'm trying it right now. Put this today, okay, today Monday we're gonna eat some tortillas, whatever else, and do that. So that way it also basically gives you different ways of eating. So instead of eating the same thing over and over again, you have something new, and you have other choices to pick from the other choices that you've been actually already eating. Like I said, basically just give you something different that you can try out. So just also keep that in mind when you are picking this out. If you want to try something new, right now is the best time to go ahead and do that when you're picking your meal out. I would suggest, though, make sure if you're going to try something new, you can either try 1 or 2 things that's new that you normally wouldn't eat, so that way you can see if you would want to actually have that in your as one of your meals that you want to eat for dinner. If not, then go based on what you'll normally eat, and in a different way, or basically you're not picking it out, someone else is doing it for you. Just basically it's easy for you to get your ingredients already handed to you, what I'm saying. So basically how I'm trying to say this is, do what's best for you or your family. And if you want to try something new, girl, boy, just try it. See how it is. If you don't like it, if you do like it, leave the comments down below. Just tell me everything, the good or the bad, because I want to know it all. And furthermore, hold on. Do I have anything else I want to say? Oh yeah, when you do get any type of any like thing like this on this meal plan, or you met plan that you decide you want to do, they do tell you what you do choose and what your meal is going to be and the ingredients, all that type of stuff. And also gives you instructions on the back as well, so keep that in mind when you do decide that you want to do this, go for this company, for something different, or you want to go with another one. Just keep in mind of what's going to be best for you or your family, girl, boy, however it is, just what's best for y'all. Okay, just keep it in mind. Don't do something that's just gonna be like, okay, that's just a little too much, can't do it. Then don't do it. It's gotta be what's good and best for you, honey, or girl, boy, whatever. Like I said, anything you have to say, or any ideas and thoughts that you were having and wanting to do about this, about switching up with all your meals that you are having, it's boring, you're tired of eating the same things. Like I said, just tell me about it all in the comments down below. Leave it in the comments down below. And furthermore, let's get right into the next clip of me showing you the finished results of me cooking one of the meals that I'm going to be cooking, that I'm going to choose tonight to cook. And I'm going to show you the finished results of that plate in the next clip. So like I said, furthermore, let's get right into it.